Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear students, today we are very happy to say something about the journey of our school. Today, that is 1st July, is a wonderful day. It gives us an immense pleasure and joy to tell you about this auspicious day when our school took its first step. It's our inception day.
हम पाठशाला की ओर से मॉयल एवं सभी सम्मानित पदाधिकारियों का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद मानते हैं कि उन्होंने समय समय पर हमें पथ प्रदर्शित किया और अपना सहयोग प्रदान किया। हम सदैव मॉयल के आभारी रहेंगे क्योंकि आपके प्रयास से दुर्गम एवं सुनसान माने जाने वाले क्षेत्रों के बच्चों के भविष्य का विचार किया गया। छात्रों ने भी अपनी कमजोरियों को ताकत के रूप में प्रदर्शित करके अपनी क्षमता और योग्यता को शिक्षा की कसौटी पर खरा साबित किया। आज का दिन सचमुच ही अपने आप में एक गौरवशाली दिन है। यह दिन इस शैक्षिक संस्था के बुलंदियों की ओर बढ़ते हुए पदचिन्हों को याद करने का दिन है। यह दिन अपने प्रतिभाशाली छात्रों को अपनी पाठशाला के गौरवमयी इतिहास की एक झलक दिखाने का दिन है। हमारी पाठशाला का मुख्य सिद्धांत छात्रों का समग्र विकास करना रहा है। पाठशाला में भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार की गतिविधियों के माध्यम से छात्रों में निहित प्रतिभा को निखारने का प्रयास किया जाता रहा है और यह कार्य आगे भी जारी रहेगा।
During this short span of time, we have achieved some fruitful results like
Hello, my name is Kriti Shev, studied from DAV Mall Public School for 4 years. Now I am pursuing BCom program from Delhi University. I remember the first day in 2014 when I entered school. I was excited but had lack of confidence to talk with someone. I am not good at speaking or writing English, but teachers helped me out with that. They are very nice and very kind. They helped me in every situation. On the same year, I got selected in the student council and it helped me to build leadership quality in me. Then I realized that I am good at sports and DAV gave me a platform to represent myself. I participated in the zonal sports and got selected 2 times for DAV national sports. DAV always helped me to enhance my qualities such as confidence level, stage confidence, leadership qualities, sportsman spirit, discipline, and there are many more. So, curricular as well as co-curricular activities helped me a lot. So at last, I just wanted to say thanks to DAV, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and also non-teaching staff.
Very warm greetings to all of you. This is Pratik Bagade, currently a first year MBBS student at Gandhi Medical College, Bhopal. And having a good college like this is indeed a tough task, but it becomes way more easier if you have a good guidance, if you have faith in yourself, if you have a good atmosphere around you, and you have very good confidence in yourself. And luckily I got all of them since my school days. Yeah, since my school days when I was at DAV Mall Public School. I am very proud to say that I was a part of this institute for complete 4 years. I still remember when I got admitted here, I was a boy which didn't have a good amount of confidence in himself. He didn't know how to speak at public places. He didn't have a very good leadership quality as well. But DAV taught me all of them and much more. I still remember I was the first head boy of the DAV Mall Public School, and that helped me a lot to develop my leadership quality. DAV used to have an assembly at morning, and they have organized very good events there as well. And luckily many times I got a chance to anchor at these places, and which helped me a lot to improve my public speaking qualities. But the fear which I had in myself that I cannot speak at public places vanished. The DAV also took us to Mumbai and we played many games, and that I got to know that I am good at sports as well. And the qualities which I learned at DAV, they just didn't help me after 10th. They helped me throughout my NEET generation, NEET preparation, and they are still helping the qualities like leadership and speaking in public. They are helping to survive in my MBBS life as well, and I am sure that they will help in my future life as well. So I am very proud and I am very thankful that DAV was a very good and very precious part of my life, and I want to say that I love DAV.
Hi, this is Vibhuti Khobragade. I have been a former student of DAV Mall Public School. I feel grateful and blessed to have got the opportunity to be a part of this incredible institution from the very start. I enrolled here in 6th grade, which so far seems one of the best decisions I've ever made. Studying here not only gave us academic knowledge, but many more things to cherish forever. I've been a part of school student council for almost every year I studied here, which really helped me boost up my confidence. I've improved my leadership skills and I've got better managing experience. Because of the various activities conducted here, be it arts or sports, helped me to put out my best abilities. This school has provided me a stage to express myself. I have also represented the school at a sports zonal level, which I'm really grateful for, and it really helped me to improve my social interaction skills. I've made great friends here, had great teachers who always supported us whenever we needed. This school has given us the strive and thrive attitude, and I'm really proud to be a DAVian. Thank you.
Hi, this is Akhilesh Mishra, former student of DAV Mall Public School. I was from the first batch 2017-18. At present, I am doing Polytechnic from Mechanical Engineering. I would like to thank SMILE for making this supreme institution so that the children can get quality education at the very nearest distance. When I was in 8th standard, I took admission in this school. Frankly speaking, I was not very happy with the decision of my parents, but as I passed 10th from the school, eventually it turns out to be the best decision of my parents. The qualities which DAV inculcated in me, the things that I learned here brought a positive change in me, which is seen through the confidence and attitude in which I present myself. This is only because of DAV. I was not the guy who has much confidence in him, but DAV gave me opportunity to improve the confidence in myself. DAV gave me opportunity at the Zonal Sports Mumbai to represent as a troop leader in March past. DAV gave me opportunity to showcase my talent in every field, either it is co-scholastic area or scholastic area. The things which I learned here was always with a lot of fun. Not only from the teaching staff but also from the non-teaching staff. The way Lakshmikant Bhaiya taught us Kabaddi helps us to win the trophy at Mumbai in zonal sports. When we were in Mumbai, teachers from Panvel used to compliment us that the students from DAV Nagpur are very disciplined. This is only because of the etiquettes and manners that the DAV has taught us. I personally feel a change in me, and this change is because of DAV only. I am very proud to be a DAVian and I am very proud to be a part.
Hello everyone, I am Purva Mishra, studied in DAV Mall Public School for 4 years and now I am pursuing BSc Geology from RTMNU University. I am very proud of myself that I was a student of DAV. The things given by DAV is incomparable and priceless. We know that basic foundation is must to set up a successful career, and that my basic foundation is set up by only DAV. It gives me chance to represent myself in every area, whether it is co-scholastic or scholastic. I have lack of confidence to speak in front of everyone, but through morning assemblies of DAV, I gained that confidence to speak in front of everyone. Many more little things helped me to learn big things. I am very thankful to DAV and the staff on not only teaching but also non-teaching staff. I am very thankful. Thank you very much.
Myself, Priyanshu Malvi, studied at Mall DAV Public School. It was 7th standard when I took admission in the school, and when I passed away, it was a new me. Those 4 years was the best years of my life. The spirit of competitiveness that Mall DAV has given to me is incomparable. It helps me to enhance my inner qualities. I was selected 2 times as the head boy of the school. The leadership qualities that I developed in the school is now helping me in my field. DAV teaches me how to stay united and how to present yourself in front of others. I was good at sports and selected 4 times for DAV Zonal Sports. I am very thankful to Mall DAV for making me a better product for the country. At last, I wish all the success to my school. Thank you.
Hello, a warm greetings to all. This is Noor Pathan, an ex-student of DAV Mall Public School. I feel fortunate to be the part of this institution because it helped me to bring out the best of me. You know, this is a platform where you get ample of opportunities, may it be exhibitions, sports activities, public speaking or anything else. And since I was the part of this school for long, I got all of these opportunities which makes me feel overwhelmed. Actually, my leadership qualities were not that good enough, but luckily, in class 6, I got to be the chance of a school council member, and that created the golden door of opportunities for me and helped me to develop my leadership qualities. Whatever I have, the knowledge, the skill, the confidence is just because of this place. This place is an inspiration to me. The love, the energy, the passion I got from this place is just incredible. So yes, I can proudly say that I am a deviant since DAV is an extraordinary place.
Hello, I am Vasu Bhutange, studied at Moral DAV Public School. It was 6th standard when I took admission in the school, and my school life was not less than a treasure for me, which gave me invaluable joys in my life. I was also a part of student council, which helped me to recognize the hidden quality of leadership in me. The confidence and motivation it gave me, I couldn't get anywhere else. The school taught me moral values and importance of teamwork. The school followed strict rules in discipline and timing, and hence we were punctual in our work. From the first day to the last, all I learned here is discipline of life, friendship, mentorship, and many more qualities which are helping me in my field right now. So, I just want to say thank you to the respected principal ma'am and to the amazing teachers.
पाठशाला को विद्या का मंदिर कहा जाता है। पाठशाला छात्रों के रूप में देश को एक ऐसा नेतृत्व संपन्न नागरिक देती है जो स्वयं की उन्नति के साथ साथ राष्ट्र की उन्नति में भी अपना योगदान देता है।
Development of students is development of school. During this pandemic time, we are trying our level best to impart value-based knowledge to our students, and this journey will be continued with the same spirit. Thank you everyone.